In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom background to Google Slides. If you've ever felt that plain white slides make your presentation look a little dull, this tutorial will help you transform them into something professional, unique, and eye-catching. Let's dive right in. First, open up your presentation in Google Slides. Once it's open, click on the slide where you want to add the custom background. You can do this for one slide at a time, or later, apply it across all slides for a consistent theme. Now, look at the top menu bar and click on Slide. From the drop-down menu, select Change Background. This will open a new dialog box with a couple of options. Under the Image section, you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Go ahead and click that. Here's where the fun begins. You can upload a picture directly from your computer, pick one from Google Drive or Google Photos, or even search the web without leaving Google Slides. Once you've chosen your image, just click Insert. You'll instantly see it appear as the background on your selected slide. If you're happy with the look, hit Done to finalize it. And if you want that same background applied to every slide in your deck, simply click Add to Theme instead. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can completely transform your presentation's look and make it stand out. So next time you're preparing slides, whether it's for school, work, or a big presentation, you'll know exactly how to add your own custom backgrounds and bring more personality to your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, stick around for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.